Hi, YouTube.
Hey YouTube friends and family, it's your boy GB Reviews, and today I'm going to do a quick review of Omaha Steaks. It's a delivery service that can deliver fresh meats to your home. I like the cuts of the meats that they have, and I'm gonna just show you kind of some of the things that it came with, but I'm not gonna actually unpack the meat. But I want to show you how they pack it, and I want to give you some of my thoughts about the process, the home delivery service, and the price. There are definitely different types of delivery services that are available to you, but since we're stuck at home now, I suggest that people try different ones and see what they like. And it also depends on where you live. If you live in a certain area, it also depends on the types of things that are available to you. I know that some people live in areas that are meat deprived right now, and if that is the case, then Omaha Steaks may work for you. So with that, I'm gonna show you the packaging. I'm gonna show you how it comes, and then we'll talk a little bit about what I think about the pricing and how it works for me. All right, with that, let's go. So just to give you a preview of the packaging, it comes in like this big cooler. This is how they ship it. And it's shipped, as you can see, it's a huge cooler. Has the Omaha Steaks logo kind of embossed in there. And inside here is packed with dry ice and ice packets to keep it cool. So they ship out steaks, sausages, pork chops, chicken, all of the different types of meats that you can imagine. But they also, the sides for those dishes, they also ship out. So you'll get like vegetable packets, you can get potatoes, you can get desserts. And so I'm gonna open it up and show you what I got in this package. And just so you know, I've opened this already and taken some things out just because for the purposes of this video, I don't want my meats to go bad. But you'll see how it's come packaged. So when you pull this open, this is what you'll get. So inside, there's just the lid comes off. And inside, they normally have some promotional material, which is coal. Everything in here is coal right now. And then it'll give you, like, you can see some of the prices, just so you can see, like, these are the prices. Which is okay. I mean, like, you know, I'm not gonna fault them for the pricing that they have, but it's just okay. But the steak quality is great. I have to say that if you don't have a butcher in your area, I mean, you can't beat this. And then here's the nutritional facts on the kind of the steaks that they have and the cuts of steaks, so you can see the different cuts that they have. They also have, like I said, they have steak, poultry, bison, pork, lamb, and veal. So I like it. And here's your kind of your companion guide. They just go through the different types of cuts and things like that, which is nice. So if you don't know a lot about steaks, you know, some people eat steaks, but they don't know about steaks. So like in here, I got chicken. I have steak. Here's a vegetable packet. There's two more vegetable packets that they have. This might be potatoes, I think. I can't remember what I ordered, but this might be potatoes. And then in here, this is actually cheesecakes. So if you see this cheesecakes, it's a cheesecake sampler. So you can get different types of vegetables, different types of fruits, or excuse me, not fruits, but desserts, and then different types of meats from Omaha Steak. So now I'm gonna go away from this because I'm gonna throw all this stuff in their freezer just so it doesn't thaw out. And then I'm gonna talk to you a little bit more about what I think about the Omaha Steaks delivery service, pricing, and things like that. So we're gonna transition. Let me put this in the freezer, and I'll get right back to you. So I'm back, and so we're talking about Omaha Steaks. I put all my stuff in the freezer. I like Omaha Steaks, I really do. I think that they provide some of the highest quality meat. When you look at delivery services, the way that they package everything, the fact that every delivery that I've received from them has been like super, super cold. And, you know, I've had other delivery services where that's not always the case. Again, like I said, they give you a meat guide that kind of tells you different things about the different not health benefits, but like the calories and things like that, the breakdowns of the percentages, especially if you're a person that tracks your macros. It's kind of nice. The other thing that I would say about the delivery service is that it's quick. Once you put in your meat order, it's about a week. I think it's about a week. Different now because of the times that we're in, but usually about a week turnaround before you get your delivery order. And so I like that. The things that I have to say that for me, living in the area where I live in the Washington, D.C. area, where it's easy to get, butchers and things like that. Like you can get butchers outside of your grocery stores. There's butchers everywhere. And they have like Middle Eastern butchers and, Indian butchers and, African butchers. They have all types of butchers that you can go to. Jewish butchers. You can get halal and all this other stuff. Because I live in this area and people who live in like New York City and other big cities, there may not be the impetus to get with a subscription service like this under normal circumstances. But because of the times that we're in, which is, the kind of the pandemic shortages of things, I've talked to my friends in other states who live like in North Carolina and South Carolina and Georgia, and they said sometimes they go to grocery stores and there's meat shortages. And so we haven't had those issues, but if you know that might be an issue in your area, then yes, this is great because you get some of, like I said, premium cuts of meat. Amazing, amazing, amazing. And they have pairings. They tell you about like the different things that you should put with it in terms of the size, and you can order that from them as well. So that's great. From the vegetable standpoint, you could take it or leave it. The vegetables are just kind of, for me, they're just regular frozen vegetables. I've eaten them. They're not necessarily that, they're kind of basic. The potatoes that they have, they're good, but it's basically frozen. You can go to the grocery store and do that. Now, unless you have a shortage in your area, you might not need to order those types of things from them. But like I said, the meat quality, cuts, premium cuts, amazing, amazing, amazing. Now, that being said, in my area, I don't know that I can justify the cost of Omaha Steaks. The cost is above average in terms of the cost. To get premium cuts from my grocery store, like, the premium cuts of meat, it's probably, let's use an example for a New York strip. It's probably like, $9.99 a pound. To get like the kind of the double grade A cuts from a butcher, probably something like $14.99 a pound. I expect to pay twice that amount for Omaha Steaks, and that's just because, and even when they have the specials, or you get a referral from someone, you get the referral code, it seems like a good deal. If you have a butcher or your grocery store that has good quality of meats, it's just not going to be, you're just not ever going to save any money. The taste of the meat that I've gotten, especially for the beef and from the bison that I've ordered, and I haven't ordered veal, but I have ordered the lamb. Excellent. I mean, like, the taste is superb. But that being said, I've gotten superb meat from Costco. So Costco's butchers, they have the highest quality grade A, and they even have Wagyu beef. You can get Wagyu beef at Costco. So Omaha Steaks, I think, in my opinion, they're great. And for people who are in areas where it's difficult to get meat, or difficult to get high quality meat, you should definitely order from Omaha Steaks. If you're giving people a gift and you don't know what they have in their area, again, they let you do gifts. It's a great gift idea. You can send people high quality meat and desserts in the mail, which I think is great. Their cheesecake options, I've had it. The cheesecake is great. The apple tartlets are great. So the desserts are actually quite nice and premium quality. But the downside is that it's expensive. And so you have to really weigh the expense and the cost versus the convenience. And for me, while I still occasionally order from them, it's only kind of just because I can, and maybe I'm looking for something that's very specific and I'm just lazy. So for me, it's more convenience. But in terms of cost, when you do the cost benefit analysis, it's not quite as worth it. So that's it for your boy GB Reviews. I am not going to talk anymore about this. I like Omaha Steaks. For me, in terms of the quality of the meat, they get an A. In terms of price, I would say it goes in the C category. It's just not necessarily that cost effective. You're not going to save any money by ordering from Omaha Steaks. And in terms of the overall experience, in terms of being able to get good quality meat from them versus in my area, I would say that, I would give it a C as well. I can get same quality or better quality meats locally. and not have to pay the same amount. So with that, this is your boy GB Reviews. I'm closing this out. Again, I'm telling you to order Omaha Steaks because you should try it once. It's a good experience, but I don't think you would necessarily need to, and depending on what area you live, I don't think you would necessarily need to order from them on a kind of monthly basis to get steaks, because you can just do it locally. One of the things I forgot to mention at Omaha Steaks that they also have seafood. I've never ordered seafood for them, that's why I didn't really talk about it, but they do have seafood, and you can order like all different types of fish and shellfish, and they have entree combos. So again, you know, Omaha Steaks is like quite good in terms of being able to get high quality things if you don't have these things available in your area, and it's very convenient. Like, you know, you can get sea bass, mahi, things like that. They have different sides, different desserts. And also what I like about them is they have partnered with the wine program, so you can do wine pairings too. So you can actually order wine from them, which is kind of cool. So you could do a whole dinner party, and you can cater a whole dinner party from Omaha Steaks. So that is one of the things that I think I like about the service and the company. Like I said, Omaha Steaks, it's high quality stuff, high quality products. It's just in my area, the price doesn't the price is not justified by the quality, because I can get same quality or better quality cuts of meat, and it's just not going to be as expensive. So, but I do like it, and I said, you know, again, I think it might be something that will work for many people depending on the area you live in, and you can just get so many things. They also, I think they also have barbecue too. So they have barbecue that you can grill, burgers, you know, franks, poultry, all kind of things. It's just check it out. I'll put the link below. Check it out. I think you'll like it. You know, like I said, it's always good to try it once, and if you don't like it, you don't have to try it again. But the food, you're not gonna be disappointed with the taste of the food. So anyway, that's it. This is your boy GB Reviews. Please subscribe, like below. Please hit the notification bell for when my new videos come out. Please hit the like button for the algorithm. And, you know, please continue to rock with me. I will continue to bring you more things that I like and I think that you'll like. So anyway, it's your boy GB Reviews. I'm out. Subscribe, like below. Omaha Steaks. Be there or be square.
Subscribe, but like below.
Anyway, it's your boy GB Reviews. Thank you for rocking with me. Please hit the notification bell. Please hit the like button for the algorithm. Please subscribe to my channel if you've not seen my channel before. And please let me know if there's other services, things like that you want me to review, because I'm all for it. We're home right now, and you know, I'm always looking for good things to review, especially when it comes to food. I love food. And so if there's like services and things like that you'd like me to review, please let me know. Anyway, it's your boy GB Reviews. Thank you very much. I appreciate it. And I'm out. Subscribe and like below.